Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how you can switch on the smartphone. So on the right edge of the smartphone you can find the power key synchronized with the fingerprint sensor, and all you have to do is just to simply click and hold this button for a few seconds. So let's make it. And when you see the Samsung Galaxy A12 logo and the Android logo on the screen, you have to release that key. And now be patient and just wait a little bit until your smartphone boots on. And as you can see, after a few moments we are able to use our smartphone. So just input your PIN code and it's finished. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.